In this OmniLab video, we're going to investigate the kinds of simple data analysis you can do. So I've opened a project here and I've collected 30 scans or so. I had a prediction method that computed value for styrene, and I've also, in this column here, recorded values that the lab has computed for the samples that I took. What we want to do is go to the data analysis screen. So what comes up, it's a tool for building charts. You can build various types of charts. So let's just start by seeing what options we have here. You select values for your x-axis and y-axis. Let's say on the x-axis, I want to have lab values. That'll be this column here, values from this column. And on the y-axis, I want to plot predicted values. Which predicted values do I want? Well, in this case, I want to select the styrene, which is the predicted value produced by my model. And on the x-axis, I want to plot the values that the lab has computed for me. When you select those, you get a scatter plot. Now, you can also click here to show the regression line. So what this plot does is shows the correlation between my lab values and my prediction method. When I'm happy with the chart that I've got here, I click Create Chart, which closes the chart builder but opens the chart that I have constructed. Also, you'll note that this chart shows up in the list over here. That's one chart I've built. I can close this chart and bring it back later. Let's create another type of chart. We'll bring up the chart builder again. This time on my x-axis, I want to have time. So I want to see how these values changed over time. So select time for the x-axis, and on the y-axis, let's put our predicted value of styrene. And let's turn on the trend line. As you can see, I collected 2 scans earlier and then collected the rest at a later time. Let's go ahead and click Create Chart, and now we have a chart that shows us when each scan was taken and then the predicted values that were computed from that scan. You can also open the chart builder by clicking this button. This time let's choose delta on the y-axis, and we're going to choose to find the difference between the lab value, styrene, and the predicted value, styrene. And on the x-axis, let's choose time. Create chart. And now we have a chart that's showing you the difference between my lab values and my predicted values versus time. Once again, I stress these charts that we've created are currently in the project in program memory. They have not yet been written out to the file. So we do that by saving the project. And now, if we were to restart the program, the charts would still be a part of the project. Those are some simple data analysis tools that we have in OmniLab.